Hi, my name is Diego and I want to talk about the climate change and the most valuable solution in my opinion, education. Why we have to study? My mom is always telling me that if I want to study something, if I want to be something in my life, I have to study, and during the process of studying, I learned that education can save humanity and also stop climate change, because after studying, I'm not an ignorant anymore, and I know that climate change is a real problem, and I know that maybe I can manage and investigate what I can do as a normal person. Or when my mom, like any other Mexican mom, when I was a little kid, she used to tell her that I didn't want to go to school anymore. She used to tell me that there wasn't any problem, that she will buy me a box of gum and I will to go to sell them at traffic stops. And the truth, as a small kid, I didn't know anything about life, and I got to prefer to go to school. Or every time I told my mom that if she want me something, she would say no, and she would say me, study hard, work harder, so you can buy whatever you want when you grow up. Not many people can have access to education, but those who have the power, they can choose what they can do with the things that they have. Education is an essential factor in the global response in climate change. Education helps people young to understand and address the consequences of global warming, encourage them to change their attitudes and behaviors, and help them to adapt the trends linked to climate change. We defend education and we sustain the world. But there's another point that education can improve and give better tools to make better decisions. Sometimes I start to think about, I know that I have spoken a lot of my mom, what my mother said and what she told me, but she always told me that people do bad things that can range from crimes to throwing garbage on the street, due ignorance, because the most populous is who have the lack of education in everything that education on styles, such as hunting animals. People do it because they do not know the damage that they may be causing to the world. Some other times it's also due to the lack of ethics, or because maybe they don't know the consequences of what are they doing, or simply they don't care. But at least with a good education and knowledge of the subject, they have the opportunity to decide if they want to be good citizens of this world or not. Sometimes I start thinking about some subjects that I honestly do not think that I will use for my life, but I start thinking about subjects as ethics, and I wondered why it turns out a subject that instructs us how to recycle, how to take care of our planet. Above all, I think the most important thing is how raise awareness, because if they are teaching us something, it will not be useful if we don't care about that subject before teaching all that things, they should give us something to care. The first step is to teach awareness and sensitization about the climate change at the school and get people interested and involved about the topic in the schools. We must give the people opportunity to decide if they want to help the planet with education. I'm not the only one to think this. The UNESCO says that education on climate change is part of UNESCO program on the Education Sustainable Development (ESD). In 2014, UNESCO launched the Global Action Program on ESD, the problem follow-up, the United Nations Decade for ESD focused on climate change. UNESCO aims to climate change education and central visitable element, the international response to climate change. Obviously, the magnitude and complexity of the problems do not require only educational actions. The most valuable effects in the field training. Values and attitudes are long-term. Drastic political decisions are also decided, but that decisions are going to be taken by a consistent and educated person. Why is this important? This is important because this is one of the best ways to save humanity and Earth, by making people conscious about this very big problem, and also to have a lot more benefits for all people, like education empowers women, education encourages tolerance, education saves children's lives, education fights hunger also. So in conclusion, education is part of solving environmental problems. An educated person is more likely to use water and energy efficiently and recycle household waste. In 20 high and medium development countries, 25% of population who had not completed secondary education expressed concern about the environmental situation, compared with 37% those who had completed secondary education, with 46% of those who had completed secondary education who had received higher education. This concern is translated into positive measure of the environment. In Germany, 45% of people who had received higher education signed a petition of participate in a demonstration in connection with the environment during the last 5 years, compared with the 12% those who had not completed secondary education. And of course, I'm very far to be a good student, but what I'm trying to say is that if we finish with ignorance and we have more educated people that is going to have the tools to make good decisions, not only for themselves, but for everyone, with a good education, they are going only to do it because they know that is correct. As years pass, I realized that education is the only thing that can save humanity and help us with climate change. Now, as you know that education can save the environment and help with and countless other things, do you think education is important? Hi, my name is Diego. Vamos rápido, vamos rápido, vamos rápido. We work hard, play hard, like anybody likes someone. Ahí, corta. Ahí está. Corte.
Ay, los libros otra vez.
Suelta eso. I've spoken a lot of my mother, but that